Hello friends, welcome back to Design Solutions. In the previous video, we have discussed about the introduction about CATIA and how to enter into the CATIA workbench. So in this video, I am going to explain about the user interface of CATIA and how to set the basic settings based on upon our workbench. So without any delay, let's get started. So in this video, I am going to explain about the part design user interface and part design settings too. So to enter into the part design, go for start, mechanical design, part design, click on OK, and here you can mention any one of name. I will mention the GUI. So click on OK, and the part design will open. So this is the user interface of CATIA. So here CATIA v5 GUI will be there. So what is GUI? So many of the people is having a doubt what is a user interface. So a user interface is nothing but the communication between the computer and the user. So this can include display screens, keyboards and mouse and the appearance of the desktops. It is also a way through which a user interacts with an application or in a website. So the user interface is having a two types will be there. So graphical user interface, customized user interface. So CATIA will works on graphical user interface. So this is a graphical user interface of CATIA. So here CATIA application bar will be there. So here you can mention start bar. So in this start menu, you can browse your 94 workbenches from here itself only. The previous files also will shows here also. So Enobia v5 vpm will be there. I will explain this one later. So what is files, edit, this and all menu bars will be there here. So on these are all toolbar, the tools where laying on the particular location we call it as a toolbar. These three are the toolbars. Not only these three, any surroundings of the total surrounding of CATIA we call it as a toolbar itself only. So this is also one of the toolbar. You can make it. You can create a friendly toolbar here. So I will again place it here. And now let's come to the point. This is the compass. The compass will guide you whenever you want to make assembly or whenever you want to make manipulation between the components. It will guide you. So this thing I will explain in the further classes. And this is a specification tree where we can guide, where we can track the points or where we can track the history of whatever we did. The one by one it is going to gather in this specification tree only. So the specification tree we can hide also by using the shortcut command F3. If I will press F3, it is going to hide. Again if I will press F3, it is going to appear. So this is how you can make it. So these are XYZ planes. You can control, you can select here or you can select here also. And now this is my status bar or message bar, and here also it will be available. And here also you can type any command from here onwards. You can select any command from here. You can select any command by using, you can search any command also. So next, let's without started, we can just set the settings. So the good way to set the settings before starting a new project or any work. If you want to start any work, it's the best way to set the settings, because some other is using some other settings. If you are using, the two persons are using this same system, it's the best way to set the settings before itself only, before starting your work. So what is the settings? Based on our requirement, based on our company requirement, based on company standards, based on country standards, you have to set the settings. So what is the settings for means? You can set the units, or you can set the background settings, or you can set the colors of the colors in CATIA. So those and all we are going to discuss in this video only. So to set the settings, first of all, to change the units, go for tools. So go for options to change the settings. So in this option, go for general. In this general, parameters and measurement, click on parameters and measurement, and in this one you can set the units. So here you will get total 94 workbench related units will be there. So which one you want, you can set here itself, here itself only. So if I want length, you can select the length. So in this length you can select the drop down menu. Here you can get the drop down menu. Here you can select the any one of your units. Once after selection you can just click OK. Here a millimeter is there. By default CATIA will select millimeter itself only. If you want to work in meters, you can select meters and you can click OK. So from now onwards, if I will do any drawing, it will be going to convert into meters itself only. So this is how you can set the settings, and this is how you can set the units and the background settings. So based on our surroundings, we have to set our backgrounds. If you are working with any dark backgrounds, you can go for dark whites. If you are working in light backgrounds, you can go with light background settings. So based on our surroundings, we have to set it. So in this, how to change the background settings of CATIA, go for menu bar. In that menu bar, you can select the tools, you can select the options, and options in general. In general, you can go with display. In this display, you can go for visualization. In this visualization, you can go for background settings. So here by default CATIA will select a blue color, violet color. You can go with any one of colors. Not only these colors, you can select your own colors also, custom colors also you can select it. So if I will select this one, if I will apply, the preview will showing is here. If you are okay with this one, you can just click OK. So this is a bright color. It will affect our eye too. So that's why CATIA will suggest a violet color itself only to protect our eyesight. So go for tools. I will setting the default position. Go for tools, options, display, and I will make it into violet color. And now, how to change the axis system? How to set the axis system and changing the axis system size also. So first of all, we will go with axis system. How to create the axis system. So in this CATIA, we have three types of axis systems will be there. Three types of settings will be there. So first type will be there. First type will be insert axis system. In menu bar, insert, you can click axis system, and you can set the origin position. So my origin position I want 0, 0, 0 only. So I will click OK. So this is one type, and here if you see here the axis system will be appear. So if I will close this one, so if I will delete, the second method is in this toolbar. The tools toolbar will be there. In this toolbar also axis system will be there. If you click this one, the same dialog box will open. If you click OK, the same axis system is going to create it. So I don't want this one too. These two are temporary creation of axis system. So whenever you want, if you want to open axis system itself only, means there is another setting. I will explain that. Let me delete this one first. So let me, if you want to set the permanent axis system, so whenever you will open that, if you want to work in axis system means whenever you want to open, it will automatically activate the axis system means. To set the settings, go for tools, options, and in these options you can go for infrastructure, part infrastructure, and part document. So here create an axis system will be done. So click on this axis system and click OK. So now it won't appear axis system. So whenever you are opening a new document, then only it will happen. So let's see that one. So I will make no. So again I will make go for start, mechanical design, part design. So see here, my three planes is going to hidden. So the axis system is going to appear. So if you are thinking this axis system is very small, it's looking like a small means you can resize it. So to resize the axis system or to resize the planes means you can go with tools, options, infrastructure, part infrastructure, display. Here axis system display size. So I will set this into 50. Sorry, 56, 50. Click OK. So this is how you can change your axis system settings. So thanks for watching, guys, and in the next video where we'll discuss about the sketching workbench. So thanks for watching. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. If you want to continuously watch my classes, if you want to attend the classes, you can subscribe to my channel. If you need any comments or suggestions, please comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye.